Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. On today's episode, we're making dinner in 10 minutes. One pan pasta coming up. Let's go over the ingredients. 12 ounces of spaghetti, 1 small onion thinly sliced, some fresh basil, pecorino cheese, 2 red chili peppers, salt and pepper to taste, 5 garlic cloves minced, 1 pound of cherry tomatoes, 2 cups of baby spinach, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, in the large frying pan over medium-high heat, place the spaghetti in the center. Arrange the onion, tomato, garlic, basil leaves, spinach, and red chili peppers. Season with salt and pepper. Add olive oil and 2 cups of water or chicken stock. Once the pasta comes to a boil, we are going to cook it for about 10 minutes. Keep stirring the pasta so it doesn't stick together. I have just realized that I should have used a larger pot. It is going to be tight, however, we're going to make it work. The pasta has cooked for about 8 minutes now. I'm going to give it another couple of minutes before taking it off the heat. I'm going to add a little bit more of fresh basil for that nice Italian flavor. And to make this dish really come to life, we're going to finish it off with about half a cup of finely grated pecorino cheese. Let's toss that in, and as you can see, the cheese, the pasta, and the tomatoes are making this fantastic silky sauce. Guess what time it is? It is serving time! This is the easiest and most fantastic spaghetti recipe I have ever made. And guess what? All in one pan. That works for me. Less things to clean in the kitchen. Hey! This is where I get a little bit excited. We only had 10 minutes to make this pasta, and you end up with the most creamy and luscious sauce. The tomatoes are broken down. The sweetness is just gonna add so much flavor to this pasta. And now all we have to do is to dive in and try it. This is why this is so amazing. In very short amount of time, you have the perfect plate of pasta that is delicious. It has all the flavors of Italy. This is so good. It may not be original Italian, however, it is still amazing. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Check out other recipes. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.